dear ministers, distinguished colleagues, and panelists. As it is unanimously recognized, a major effort to develop and deploy clean energy technologies is urgently needed to meet international climate goals and to step up global efforts towards climate-neutral economies. Amongst the many technological solutions available, hydrogen from renewable sources, the so-called green hydrogen, has gained an unprecedented momentum. We shall therefore try to make the most of it because we are deciding today how our tomorrow will look like. Seeking to increase the quota of renewables in our energy mix and to improve energy efficiency, especially in the residential, industrial and transport sectors, Italy is finalizing a national strategy for hydrogen, which will be an additional token of the Integrated National Plan on Energy and Climate for 2030 and of our long-term strategy for climate neutrality by 2050, which we pursue within the wider EU context. By complementing the large role played by electricity from wind, solar and hydropower, and in addition to sustainable biofuels, we believe that an affordable green hydrogen could be the key to decarbonizing those parts of the economy named hard-to-abate sectors, such as heavy industry, aviation, shipping, long distance and heavy haul road transport. We aim to reach a 2% penetration of hydrogen in the total gross final consumption by 2030, by investing around 10 billion euros in the next 10 years, which we expect to generate up to 27 billion euros in terms of GDP growth. We are committed to enhance the interaction between our government and the private sector. We aim at creating a market for hydrogen, building coherent policies, regulations and incentives in order to stimulate its growth. We intend to develop hydrogen valleys through an integrated approach of green hydrogen generation and its consumption for transport and heavy industries. In other words, we are expanding the number of viable projects supported through a blending of private and public sources, leveraging also on EU funds. Moreover, we consider hydrogen as a strategic tool for a new and fruitful cooperation among nations. Looking, for instance, at the Mediterranean, we think that new forms of energy cooperation could emerge given the possibilities to produce hydrogen and exchange it between Europe and Africa through existing pipelines. Italy, due to its privileged geographical position, could be the ideal bridge across the continents. The Italian private energy sector is fully engaged in concrete and viable projects. We are developing pilot projects on green hydrogen through renewable energy powered electrolyzers. The electrolyzer will be located near refineries and steel in the industries, where green hydrogen can represent the best decarbonization option. Also, we successfully tested the introduction of a 10% mix of hydrogen and natural gas into Italian pipelines, strategically taking advantage of the widespread national gas infrastructure. In this respect, Italy fully endorses the pivotal role played by IRENA in bringing together on a common collaborative platform governments, international organizations and private sector to scale up the cooperation on green hydrogen at regional and global level. Thank you for your attention and I wish you good work on this key theme for our future.